Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex for the 4th week in April, and another change in the weather from last week. April showers, good growing weather, rain, then sunshine and back to rain. Sometimes the showers were short so I could shelter in the poly and pot on ceilings, and if more prolonged it then became a short day. But it was good for planting out, as the rain was welcome in watering in the plants. This season I am growing my onions from seed rather than sets, and these early sown onions are now ready for planting out, despite their slow start. Allotment garden made a lot easier job of it than what I've been doing by sowing the onions in cell trays. Look up his channel, I'll give a reference below, and enjoy some entertaining videos as well as some informative information. The temperature is becoming noticeably colder, and we have received a yellow weather warning in the south of England to expect heavy rain, turning into sleet on the downs at the weekend. This gives me a target to get fleeced up before the onslaught, mainly against the wind, as my broad beans are now putting on size. Last season I used canes and sisal string as suggested by the textbooks, which I considered was not a great success. Dick Strawbridge of Scrappy Challenge fame has written a vegetable growing book and describes using fenced trellis panels to support his broad beans, which, unless you have some redundant ones available, is an expensive solution, as these panels cost in the region of £17 a panel, and for my beds I would require 4. So I made my own, which came to £16 all in, using roofing battens. Just a minute, Michael. I think that's in the wrong position. It just needs adjusting. That's right. Take it out, move it back, put it back in again. Job's a good one. The green rods are some I bought 3 years ago from Aldi. I bought other bundles 2 years ago and last year, and they had them available this year, but I did not purchase any. If you don't have any, it doesn't matter, because bamboo canes will also carry out the job, and these are quite cost effective also. Rain stopped play, forcing me to pack up and return home. I did not return to the plot the next day due to a prior engagement, but I was able to visit a mushroom farm and purchase some spent mushroom compost for my new brassica bed. Next day, after a heavy shower of rain, I completed stapling the rods to the frame. Frame complete, I placed upright timbers in the pipe clips, screwed to the inside face of the raised bed, and then screwing a small bracket 1 foot up from the base to support the frame above the ground. All that's required now is some fleece stapled to the edge of the frame and the bottom of the raised bed. Before starting on sorting out the Enviro mesh and the fleece, I did a second harvesting of rhubarb. An end panel was still required for the new brassica bed, which I had to make, and also there was one large panel that still had to have its Enviro mesh added to it, and I started to do these with some urgency because it was getting even colder and it could be the rain coming tonight, but it didn't. So it looks like the forecast is going to be for late Sunday night. At this point the drill's clutch went crook. I'll need a new one. All fleeced up and Enviro frames completed, it is now time to put in my brassicas, and these are greyhound cabbages. As discussed earlier about the benefit of the April showers, I'll just give you a quick look at how some of the plants are doing. The first is the strawberries in the no-dig bed, and they're doing quite well. Also are the leeks, which we planted out later, and the no-dig bed where I'm going to put the sweet corn has got weeds going through it, bindweed, and the potatoes are doing quite well and they'll need covering up, and quite satisfactory really, not too bad. That's the end of the month, end of the week. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in May. Bye!